guys, Miss Cargile here, your librarian clerk at PVMS. I'm going to show you today how to get on Rapid Identity and then Destiny. And so when you get on Rapid Identity, you are just going to log in just your normal login. I'm going to log in as a student, so it will look just like when you guys log on versus if it was me using my username and password. So once you're on Rapid Identity, you're going to look for Destiny Library Student and click on that, and then Pleasant Valley Middle School. Now once you're on, this is Destiny, you are going to come up here in the right hand corner and hit log on, and you will have to log on once again the exact same way you just did. Okay, and then your name should appear in the right hand corner, so you'll know you're set to go. Now the My Info tab would show if you have fines, if you have any books on hold, but today we're going to focus on the Catalog tab. Now you could type in a title here and hit title, an author's name, hit author. It'll show all the books that we have available from that author or a subject, but this is a little bit more dull. So let's go to Destiny to Discover, a little bit flashier. See what I mean? It's a lot nicer to look at. So here is recently added books. These are books that we have gotten into our school this year. They're all brand new books. You can hit see all and see the whole collection of them. There's topics, different topics that you could choose from, and these are popular titles. So you just click on whatever book you're looking at, gives you an overview of what the book's about. It generally will tell you how many pages. And when you've looked through it and you think, yeah, I think this is a book I want, you would put it on hold. If not, you just exit out, and then you can choose another one. You guys can check out 2 books at a time. If you do not want 2 books and you only want one, that's completely fine. So you once again would put on hold, and then once you have your books on hold, I'll pull up a report. It'll show who has books and on hold, what books you're wanting. I will get those books, check them out to you, and then we are going to have a schedule set, and I will have certain days of the weeks with different advocacy teachers, and I will deliver those books to you in class, and those are for on-site learners. Now, if you are a fully remote learner, you are going to do the exact way that I just showed you is how you are going to put a book on hold and check out your books. But the only difference will be is we'll have a set day that you can come at lunch, and I will bring those books out to you and get them in your hands. So hopefully this is a little more helpful, just getting to see it. If you have an issue of you just can't find a book, you're not sure, you're just a reluctant reader, please feel free to email me, and I would be glad to try to get a book that I think you would find interesting and get you into the world of reading. So I hope this helps, and I hope you guys have a great day.